Imagine this. You're standing in front of a vending machine, coins jingling in your pocket, eyes scanning the myriad of options. You're hungry. You want something that satisfies your craving, but you also want it to be worth the coins you're about to part with. Now replace that vending machine with the financial market, and the snacks with stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Suddenly the decision becomes a lot more important, doesn't it? Well, don't fret. Just like you eventually figure out whether you want that bag of chips or a chocolate bar, you can also navigate the financial market with a little guidance. That's what we're here for today. Think of investing like planting a seed. You don't just throw it onto any patch of soil and hope for the best. You find the right spot, you water it, you protect it from harsh weather, and over time, you watch it grow. That's exactly what investing is, nurturing your money to grow over time. Now, you might wonder, where do I plant my seed, or in financial terms, where do I invest? Well, the answer lies in diversification. It's like planting different types of seeds in your garden. If one plant doesn't do well, others might. So, you spread your money across different types of investments. This could be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, all your seeds in one type of soil. Speaking of types of investments, let's break them down. Stocks are like owning a tiny piece of a company. If the company does well, your piece grows. Bonds, on the other hand, are like lending your money to a company or government. They promise to pay you back with interest. Mutual funds, they're a mix of both, managed by professionals. They're like a pre-made salad bowl with a mix of different ingredients or investments. Now, all this might seem like a lot to take in. But remember the first time you tried to ride a bike? It was overwhelming, wasn't it? But with practice, you mastered it. Investing is the same. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with time and guidance, you'll master it. So, take the first step. Maybe start by setting a financial goal. It could be saving for a new car, a dream vacation, or even retirement. Then, research the different types of investments. Understand what each one offers, the risks, and the potential rewards. And finally, take the plunge. Start small if you must. Remember, even the tallest trees started as tiny seeds. Your financial growth is a journey, and every journey starts with a single step. So step forward and start your investment journey today. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, it's today.